Hi, I'm George, and this is
Jonathan, of course, from JDFBA.
And today we're going to build a PC.
Yep. Today, guys, our parts we have, we're going to start with our case, and this is the GMT 230 FSP, and I got it from Amazon, and it was, I think, $50. I'm not sure, but what we're going to do is, of course, we'll post a link in the description for every single part if you want to build the exact build, or if you want to get a different case, just make sure it can fit. And another good thing that will help is a PC picker to know if the parts will fit inside the case you pick. And also, we're using the Ryzen 3. I got the 22G. I could have got the other one, but I think this is good enough, especially with my GPU. And we're going for 8 gigs of RAM. You guys can see that there. 8 gigs of RAM.
Engines.
By
Corsair.
And 8 gigs. I was going to do another one. And we're going with the B450 Tomahawk. I've been keeping an eye on this one for a while, and every time I go, it's been out of stock. So I finally got one, got my hands on it. It's by MSI. I highly recommend it. And George has one as well, in his build. And I'm pretty sure he highly recommends it as well. And last but not least, from my parts, because George can do some parts of his own, we're going with 1 terabyte hard drive. The 1 terabyte, of course, very simple, very easy, nothing special about it. It's just 1 terabyte hard drive.
All right, for the graphics card, or I'm sorry, for an SSD, went with PNY 240 gigabyte. It's a CS1311 is the model. And for graphics, we have a XFS Radeon RX 580. Very good, excellent graphics card. For the power supply, 500 watt EVGA. So now, let's get the building. So it gives it a little bit more stability when you put it in the slot.
So it'll just be flopping all over the place.
Yeah, and then your memory, you could go these two or those two. And then your processors here. You have the SATA connections here. Here, there's a total of 6. And then your additional I/O along the bottom that connects to the I/O for the case. So, this is AMD. AMD built it. I believe they know better than anyone. How much thermal paste to use?
I don't know, George. I think we should be like the Verge and get extra thermal paste. It's not enough. It's usually not enough.
Everything's working fine. All the drivers are loaded, hooked up to the internet. Got Chroma in here, and everything's running fine and smooth. Welcome to the PC Master Race.
Oh, hell no.